Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to upload your music on TikTok. It's very easy. Now let's get started. The first step to take guys is to head to a browser, and we're going to search for, or rather we're going to visit a music distribution service website. This website will easily allow us upload our song on TikTok and other social platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Alright, so it's very easy, and also you can still use this music distribution service website to upload your music on other digital stores like Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, Tidal, SoundCloud, etc. And most especially, you can still make money off the song you're uploading through this music distribution service. Alright, so now how can we do that? The first step to take is to head to a browser like I said, and go to TuneCore.com. This TuneCore, like I said earlier, is a music distribution service website which helps you get your song on any music streaming platform. Okay, and it's very easy to use, and also you can make music off the song you're uploading on this or rather the song you're distributing through this platform. Now how can we use this TuneCore website? The first step is to sign up for an account by clicking on the sign up button right here at the top right corner, or this one right here. Once you have an account, then you can just log in. I have an account ready, so I'll just log into my account. So after that, the next thing you want to do now is to select a plan. What do I mean by that? I mean uploading, choosing either a free or a paid plan. To do that, you can just click on artist services at the top. After clicking on that, click on pricing at the top, and here we can see the pricing on TuneCore. These are the available plans on TuneCore. There's the free for new artists, rising artists, breakout artists, and professional artists. So you just have to choose any of them, but you have to have it in mind that these plans comes with different packages. The free allows you to upload only on social platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. While this one allows you to upload your song on both social platforms and digital stores like Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, Tidal, etc. So which one am I going to use? I'm going to use this one. So in your case, you can go for any of this, or I'll just go for this breakout artist. So click on the get started button, and click on add release at the top of your screen. Select either a single, album, or ringtone depending on the one you want to upload. So I'm going to click on single because it's just a song, and then I will enter details about my song. What's going to be the song title? Click on the add artist button to add your artist name. What's your name? What's your artist name? So this is my artist name. Now do you have a profile already on Spotify? If no, click on create Spotify page for me. But if yes, after entering your artist name, you're going to find it right here. Just select it. Alright, so I'll go ahead and click on create Spotify page for me, and I'll come right here and still click on that. Now I'll do the same thing for Apple Music because these are the main places that you need to select. Okay, so I don't have a profile on Apple Music. So I'm still going to click on create Apple page for me, and I'll click on save selection. Now once I have that, so select either if your song has explicit lyrics or not. Now what's the next thing? Select your language. Primary genre is going to be blues, secondary genre is going to be blues. What's the release date? When do you want to release your song? Alright, the release time, this is for only Spotify, so I can just leave it like that. Now once you're done with all this, this one is optional, your label name, recording location, etc. So I'm going to click on save release and add song. Then let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Now if you look right here, it said social platforms automatically selected. Now your song will be delivered on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and both Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. So that's it. As you can see right here, TikTok is selected, so these other ones are bonus platform for you. So that's why TikTok is very cool to use. Now let's scroll down and add the songwriter's name right here. Who's the songwriter? I'll still add this name. And then if this song has the lyrics already, you can just add it right here. It's optional, or you can leave it blank. Once you're done with that, click on save. Now finally we have to add artwork. Artwork is the music cover, so I'm going to click on this edit artwork and upload. Either choose to upload an already designed artwork, or choose from this template right here. So I'll choose this one. I'll choose from this template and click on save. By the way, you can edit or customize your artwork if you want. Now once saving is complete, scroll down. One more thing, let's add our song. Now still on these song section, you'll find this after adding the songwriter's name and the songwriter's name and saving it, then you can be able to see this upload stereo option. Click on that and add your song that you want to upload on TikTok. For example, I'm not an artist, so I'm just going to select any of the song I have on my device. But you need to make sure that the song you are uploading belongs to you. You are the rightful owner of the song. Now once you're done with that, just scroll up and click on distribute with plan. Click on go to checkout, and you can now go through your song information right here. And as you can see, they're available. The social platforms that this will be released on is YouTube Music, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, YouTube, alright, YouTube Shorts, which are bonus for you. Alright, so now this is the subtotal payment you're going to make, which is $29.99. Then click on proceed to checkout. Alright, so now you have to enter your payment information, either paper, credit card, or this other payment method right here. Right, so I prefer the credit card, so I'm going to select credit card and enter my card information. To do that, you can just click on add new card and enter your card information and your billing address. It's very simple, guys. Now once you're done with that, the next step to take is to just click on pay now. Now once payment is made successfully, your song will be under reviewed. It will be reviewed by TuneCore team. If it is it is okay to be uploaded on TikTok then and other social platforms, then it will be uploaded. But if not, TuneCore is going to notify you. Now to check that, you can just come right here and click on this notification icon right here to know if it has been uploaded or not after 2 to 3 business day. Alright, so guys, this is how you can upload your song on TikTok using TuneCore distribution service. Alright, hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.